Metallics have a way of revealing emotion, even when you're not expecting it. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. In this acrylic pour, I use a full metallic palette, copper, silver, champagne, black, and blue, all layered as small puddles in the center of my 10 by 20 inch canvas. Sorry for switching subjects for a moment, but I really want to say thank you for your support. I truly appreciate my new subscribers and every new viewer who takes the time to watch my videos, comment, or simply enjoy the art. Your presence here means more than you know, and I'm grateful to have you with me on this creative journey. I begin by placing each puddle carefully, letting the metallics pool together. Then later on, I'll use light movements to guide the lines before tilting the canvas to stretch the flow outward. This piece reminds me that metallics have their own personality. They shine, they shift, and they bring contrast that you can't find in flat colors. Metallic paints are heavier than regular acrylics, so they often move at a slower pace. Their weight and shimmer can create natural separation, highlights, and sometimes unexpected textures. But the moment the metallics started interacting, everything changed. Before tilting the canvas, I use a wooden skewer to pull through the puddles of metallic paint and create the abstract design. I drag the skewer gently through the center of each puddle, letting it catch the edge of the copper, silver, champagne, black, and blue. The skewer creates fine, delicate lines that brushes can't make. It gives you more control and allows the colors to stretch into soft ribbons and flowing patterns. Every pass of the skewer shifts the design just enough to guide the movement without forcing it, and those thin lines add a beautiful sense of direction before the final tilt. After creating the abstract lines with the wooden skewer, I begin tilting the canvas slowly in different directions. Tilting is where the painting really comes alive. It stretches the metallics, open up the design, and help the colors flow into one another naturally. I tilt it just enough to let the ribbons of paint extend without losing their shape, guiding the composition but not controlling it. Every angle changes the movement, and as the metallics glide across the canvas, they create contrast, shine, and fluid motions that you can't achieve any other way. These colors really complement one another in a beautiful way. The copper brings warmth, the silver adds clarity, the champagne softens everything with a gentle glow, while the black grounds the entire piece and gives it contrast. The blue adds calm energy and balance, weaving through the metallics like a quiet breath. Each color has its own meaning: copper for strength, silver for reflection, champagne for softness, black for grounding, and blue for peace. And together they create a harmony that feels both powerful and soothing at the same time. As I worked through the design, I added more paint where it felt necessary. It's completely okay to use extra paint in a pour. Sometimes a piece needs a little more color to balance the flow or fill in spaces that feel too thin. Adding more paint isn't a mistake. It's part of creating. Each extra drop can open up new movement, strengthen the design, or bring harmony back into the composition. Fluid art is all about responding to what the canvas needs in the moment. Thank you so much for watching this piece come together. Even though the metallics created a few cells I didn't expect, I still love seeing how these colors move and interacted on the canvas. Every pour teaches me something, and this one definitely showed me how powerful metallics can be. I'm excited to try this again with different color placements, and I love to hear what you think about this painting. The flow, the colors, the overall energy. Your feedback always inspires me and it helps guide what I create next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what colors or techniques you want to see in the next pour. Until next time, stay creative and keep painting.